In this video, we're going to learn about finding slopes of lines parallel and perpendicular to a line given in the form ax plus by equals c. Our example problem says, consider the line 8x minus 6y equals 4. What is the slope of a line perpendicular to this line? What is the slope of a line parallel to this line? In order to solve this, we need to know two properties. The first one is parallel slope property, which tells us that if two lines have the same slope, they are parallel lines. The second is perpendicular slope property, which tells us that two lines are perpendicular if you multiply the slopes together and get -1. Looking at ax minus 6y equals 4, the first thing we need to do is to convert the equation, which is now in standard form, to the slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. We do that by first subtracting 8x from both sides of the equation. That gives us -6y is equal to -8x plus 4. Then we need to divide everything by -6 so that we can get the y by itself. And doing that, we'll have y is equal to 8x over 6 minus 4 over 6. We can simplify this by dividing the 8 and the 6 by 2 to give us 4 over 3x, and then dividing the 6 by 2 to give us 2/3. So we end up with y is equal to 4/3 x minus 2/3. In slope-intercept form, the number in front of the x is the slope. So our slope for this problem is 4/3. Using the perpendicular slope property with a slope of 4/3, if we multiply that times -3 over 4, we get -1. So 4/3 times -3 over 4 equals to -1. This tells us that the slope of the perpendicular line is -3/4. Using the parallel slope property with the slope of 4/3, the parallel line will also have a slope of 4/3.